It's a video. I'm making a video. Say hi.
Hi.
This is a new type of vlog. I got the fucking microphone. Good. We are people of the internet. We're trying this again. Cause you know, I'm stupid. I forgot the microphone. And yeah, we're in... Where are we? Kawaguchi Lake.
Kawaguchi Lake, yeah.
Lake Kawaguchi. Yeah, we're doing a bike tour. Well, it got like... Actually, we're spending the weekend here. Let's just say we're spending the weekend here. And I got my friend Jack with me.
Hello.
Okay. The focus.
How's the focus? Is it good?
Focus is great. You look sharp. Yeah, we actually got not so much stuff with us because we literally got with the bus here and then with bikes. That's our view. I'm gonna try to get part of the view. Look at this. Oh shit. Like, and there's like there's a car mechanic behind the weird little car. And they're so great, the cars. And somewhere over there is a big lake. Or there. I don't know where actually. Wait, there's a bus stop over there. Oh, damn, son. Damn. That was great. Nice shit. I need to dance now, like, woo! Great.
Oh shit.
Can you just walk so I can make a slow-mo? What? 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 What are you doing? I'm filming you taking a photo.
Okay.
Cause like tourist stuff, like vlog stuff. Just ignore me. What's the plan for tonight?
Well, I'm gonna play some Mario Party and go out, take some nice photos, low light. What about you?
Well, I'm gonna do the same shit.
What?
I'm gonna do the same shit. Probably, you know. And tomorrow we're gonna test the drone. I got a new drone. I probably shouldn't say it's new, because otherwise people are gonna be, guys, YouTube money. That's ka, no, ta, I don't know what.
Are you okay?
Ka, yeah. Ni, I don't know what. Zu, da, sa, I don't know. Hey Jack.
Hey, what's up?
Wanna eat some ramen? Ramen. What's up?
My dude.
Look, it looks so great. It's all our stuff. Like,
Most
basically
of your stuff.
my stuff and your stuff is there, but you know. We just played Mario. Switch Mario. Switch, that's not a paid advertisement because I'm... Shit, I would be glad if someone would sponsor me, but I'm not getting sponsored here. Like, wow, you see so much. Nice. Yes, now we're going out. Probably die somewhere. Maybe take some photos. I don't know.
Yeah.
Are we?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm still
I don't. Oh, the charge, so I can take photos too. It's because we got the like the.
I have my phone.
Huh?
I have my phone. My phone.
He's retarded. Good morning. So overnight my phone charger died. It's like it's not really working. Like if I just now for the video it's working great, but if I push it to the side or just naggle it around, it's not charging anymore. So my phone didn't charge this night, which sucks. Sucks pretty hard. We wanted to go out at like stand up at 7. But to be honest, we played a little bit too long Mario Party. So yeah, Jack's kind of awake.
Yeah.
And yeah, good morning. Welcome to Kawaguchiko Lake. Yay. The. Yeah. Yeah. I just had some pointe Peru. Or how the educated people say,
Banana ananas.
yo. Yeah. That's the second pack. There's the first pack, just in case if you wonder, like, how can you eat ananas and still there? Yeah, it's there. The other pack. My key. I got a Supreme key. Literally, it's a Supreme key. Yeah. Because I went to the Supreme store in Harajuku.
With me.
That's my breakfast. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Also beautiful. If you want a clear view of the Mount Fuji, there's one. That's like the best view you can get. Literally. I took a photo. Maybe you can see it here. Or maybe I'm too lazy. But there's no fucking snow on the Fuji. Like, what the fuck? Like, everyone like talked about was like, oh my god, you got a clear shot of the Fuji? That's rare. I'm like, yeah, but there's no snow on it, so fuck off. Upset. Can it please snow on the Fuji? No, thanks. Bye. Jack just found the biggest spider in life. Probably. Like, look at this thing. It's just massive.
We should run.
And yeah, there's our bikes. And we had this beautiful lake. Just look at this. Stop running into my image. It is beautiful. Yes, yes, very beautiful. And if you want to see the Fuji, well, you can. Kinda. It's there. Is it? It is. Clouds. And he looks like he's gonna take a piss for every second. Oh no, it's a picture. Piss picture, you know. It's nearly the same thing. And they mounted this shit thing, but it keeps on falling down. What the fuck? Yeah. Well, our bikes, they're like really good. No, my bike is like deflated. He like checked if they're deflated, but he didn't actually check. Nice. So how was your night?
It was good.
Look, he's taking a panoramic picture. Oh no, he's taking a video.
No, it's
a panoramic.
Yeah.
Should take a panoramic too. Huh.
That's pretty good.
Can I do that now? Yeah. Yay! Wow! Sup? Say hi to the camera.
Hi to the camera.
Nice. We're in one of the most beautiful places in the freaking world, probably. It's like really nice.
In Japan.
At least in Japan,
You
yeah.
have the view of Fuji up there.
Like it's really fucking nice. Fucking- Oh, ducking.
No, you have to duck that out.
Yeah, and I put the GoPro on the bike, so it looks weird. I don't have like a real GoPro on. I just have the camera arm, so it's gonna work.
Okay.
And we like flew the drone, but there was a fucking bag of
Like a condor.
yeah, it was a condor or something, just
Oh,
swirling.
There it is.
What? Oh yeah,
Maybe you can't
you
see
can
it,
like
but it's...
yeah, it's like somewhere there. Oh, you see it, like just a little point. Yeah, I see it.
Yeah,
Nice.
it's really far.
This thing was just doing circles around the drone, and it was like really scary. But we took a panorama picture, so let's see how this is gonna turn out. Now, changed shirts, so we blue. Well, blue, we're gonna be
I already did that.
What?
I already did it.
Yeah, I know. You could just like do it too, so we could like put the music over it. And, like,
Yeah, okay,
that
let's
would be
do
cool.
that.
Like,
That's crazy.
Okay.
Okay.
hello.
Hello.
Welcome to the other side of Mount Fuji. That's where we started. Like, not where we started, but like halfway over there. There. And that was where we took the drone, and there's the bridge. So yeah, pretty far. That was pretty cool until now. What?
Did you go through that?
Yeah. Fuck.
And the bus is late.
Yeah.
20 minutes.
Like the bus after our bus arrived already. But our bus didn't arrive. The next one's gonna probably arrive before ours. So there's like 2 buses before ours, probably. And we're not allowed to get one of the earlier buses. Oh. But we were done quicker than I expected actually. Which is kinda good. I mean it's like pretty nice. It was pretty nice. We forgot to use Strava for like 1/3 of the trip, so that wasn't that great, but we still made about 20 kilometers, like 22, something like that.
Less than 2 hours.
23 because we're at 16.5, so 23 kilometers.
Like
in
2 hours.
Yeah, in 2 hours basically, with stops, with like really many stops. So that was pretty nice, I guess. And I hope there's some bike footage. I hope my GoPro didn't die too early. There's probably gonna be the point where I'm just gonna bump into the wall. And that's not all of us. Dum. So yeah, we're gonna go back to Tokyo. That was the bike trip. I hope actually someone saw it. Because like people were expecting me to publish it, but I never ever did. Like I never recorded since I recorded some stuff, but like not too much. I'm really tired. So see you guys in the next video. He's taking photos. Wow.